风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and we got another Hakka song for you on ICRT by 功德 Konta. This song is called Dear Grandma or Apo, and it's a love letter to his Apo, who sadly passed away before he fully learned to speak Hakka. Throughout the song, Konta recalls memories of his grandma from different parts of his life. Let's take a listen to this very sentimental song, Apo.
Lo ya 차에 차당홍 saunon ke miktheo ha zu theo 3點鐘 em lượng xa cái sự công你睡夢對命嘅事情愛啲唔多娘會唔多阿婆阿婆阿婆你呀哈好夢阿婆阿婆阿婆你有糖多麼阿婆阿婆阿婆愛哈發有情故哦阿婆阿婆阿婆阿婆來凶哦有糖多愛下的哈卡公
好有感触的一首客家歌哦，叫做阿婆，也就是奶奶。功德呢，从小与阿婆相处，那他为了能跟阿婆聊天而去学客语。等功德呢已经可以流利的说客语的时候，阿婆却不在了。于是呢，功德就写了一封给阿婆的信，并创作成这首阿婆的歌曲。Well, that's a sad but beautiful Hakka song here on ICRT, brought to you by 功德 or Konta. My name is Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.